We're Rattleshake. Let's go.
All right.
Go. Split my skull open on the side of a shoe. Cut myself bad on the gum that I chew. Fuck myself over just from talking to you. Fuck myself over on the life that I choose. Please excuse me, I'm just shooting the shit. My brain moves too fast and I'm tired of it. Fuck myself over cause I'm getting too lit. Fuck myself over, am I taking the piss? Oh no. You take me down. Take me down. I try so hard to feel the same. You know I didn't. It's so obvious I'm fucked up over it. I try my hard to keep it cool. You know I didn't. It's so obvious I'm fucked up over it. Yeah, I got time, I got nowhere to be. Give me some space because I cannot breathe. Fuck myself over, oh yeah, I am fatigued. Fuck myself over, it's so hard to succeed. Gotta relax or I'll bend till a break. Making some plans and I'll try not to flake. Fuck myself over cause it's getting too late. Fuck myself over cause you're getting away. Oh no! Take me down. Take me down. I try my best to feel the same. You know I didn't. It's so obvious I'm fucked up over it. I look so bad but hurt so good. I never said I understood it cause I'm fucked up over it. I'm so fucked up. Give me some time cause I gotta adjust. Cracking my bones, won't the stream just shut up? Fuck myself over and I've had enough. Fuck myself over and I've had enough. I try my best to feel the same. You know I didn't, it's so obvious I'm fucked up over it. It looks so bad but hurts so good. I never said I understood it cause I'm fucked up over it. I'm fucked up over it. I'm fucked up over it.
Thank you. We're Rattleshake. You got me, Jeremy Nunez, on drums. You got DJ Kenner primarily on bass, Will Gilman primarily on lead guitar, and Clyde Bacalon on rhythm guitar. We like to switch instruments once in a while to show our versatility, and you know we're real diverse here. And right now we're gonna perform a song that DJ wrote called "She Won't Dance with Me."
Y'all good?
Yep.
You good?
What a day it's been doing that absolutely nothing. Maybe I should tell you what's on my mind, or get back to sleeping, force myself to smile. Hardly notice the difference after a while. This is a useless afternoon. Try my best to hide the way I feel for you deep down inside. Why should I keep it to myself? She won't dance with me. She won't dance with me. She won't dance with me. Oh. Think I might go home. Always seem to feel darker. Probably should have gotten stoned. Don't care what you say, still can't get you out of my head. If you were lying here with me, see you across the room. Why the hell are girls so hard to talk to? What do I have to lose? She won't dance with me. She won't dance with me. She won't dance with me. Oh. She won't dance with me. She won't dance with me. She won't dance with me anymore. You're the one thing I really wanted. You're the one thing that I couldn't have. Yeah. My love for you's a song, my heart is an instrument, but it's a little out of tune. She won't dance with me. She won't dance with me. She won't dance with me. Oh, she won't dance with me. She won't dance with me. She won't dance with me anymore.
And now, right now, we're about to switch back and do our primary instruments as they deserve to be. DJ, if you switch a guitar again, you will be hit.
No.
That's animal abuse.
Just damn, you just called DJ an animal.
Sexy beast.
Yeah.
Okay. The next three songs are from our upcoming EP. Look right. I'm feeling sickly and I'm pale. My earnings are locked tight and needs to be fixed. And it goes like this. fight until we drop. Or does it stand down? What's up with that? And the crowd fell flat. All in due time. I am a man. Give me an answer. What's the meaning of it all? What do we stand for? Where can we go? 'Cause I don't know. Look right. I'm feeling sickly and I'm pale. There's a Loctite, it needs to be fixed. And it goes like this. This one's called Why Am I Still Up?
Been in bed since the sun went away, working round the clock all day. Being lazy, got no urge to run, but I'm awake and got a question. Why am I still up? Why am I still up? Taking sips from my favorite cup. Why am I still up? Watching nonsense on the TV. The light from the set illuminates on me. Brain is racing, overthinking things, but only one thing truly rings. Why am I still up? Why am I still up? Taking sips from my favorite cup. Why am I still up? Passion rises above, working all the hours of love. Morning arrives and my eyes are burnt out. Can go to sleep without any doubt. Why am I still up? Why am I still up? Taking sips from my favorite cup. Why am I still up? Why am I still up? Why am I still up? Taking sips from my favorite cup. Why am I still up?
How you guys feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm just hot.
All right. You ready for this?
Yep.
All right. So our EP has been released right now. So go buy it at rattleshakeband.bandcamp.com.